Today, I will demonstrate a few prompts that will highlight how Copilot can assist you as an educator in your day-to-day tasks. So, whether you're looking for a quick fact check, need help drafting an email, or want to generate a creative writing prompt for your students, Copilot is here to help. Let's get started, shall we? Using the browser of your choice, let's proceed to navigate to Copilot. To do so, simply type in copilot.microsoft.com. It'll ask you to sign in. You'll sign in with your UTD Net ID. And if you need to authenticate with Duo, please proceed with doing so. And this is what Copilot will look like. You'll know you're in the proper Copilot by recognizing the protective badge that'll appear in the upper right hand corner. It is green and it'll have a green check mark within a white circle. Let's bring your attention down to the conversation styles. Here you can see you have more creative, where you can start an original and imaginative chat, more balanced for everyday and informed chats, more precise, start a conscious chat, useful for fact finding. So make your choice. I'm going to leave more precise. Some of the prompts that can be used within education, again, go from anything from emails. You may be doing lecture planning, research proposals, curriculum development, maybe a peer review, maybe educational tools, collaborative projects, professional development. The list can go on and on and on. With Copilot, you can have just that, a simple casual conversation, but you also can have meaningful conversation. Let's do an email. I'm going to ask Copilot to draft an email for me. And in my request, I'm asking for an introductory email for new students for the fall 2024 semester. I explained to Copilot that the course is political science, that I am Professor Grael, or in a case, whatever you would like your students to address you as. I also state that I want to welcome students and introduce the course syllabus, as well as encourage students to ask any questions and or visit in office hours. More importantly, a warm welcome to political science at UTD. Once you have your statement or the question that you need to ask Copilot, hit submit. And in a mere seconds, you'll see that your request is answered, when sometimes it would have taken us 10, 15, maybe 20 minutes to ponder what this email or welcome email to our students would look like. Let's see what Copilot has provided. Now keep in mind, the AI has to learn how you speak. So maybe some people may feel like, I don't talk like this. Well, you have to help the AI. Do you want it to be more upbeat? Do you want it to be more friendly, more warm, or more inviting? These are things that you can clarify with the AI and it will recorrect. One of the things that I recognized that I did not want in this particular email is that it states, I will be your instructor for the political science course this fall 2024 semester at the University of Texas at Dallas. I think that's a little extra. I simply wanted to remove at the University of Texas at Dallas in the first sentence. So I can request, please remove at the University of Texas at Dallas, UTD, from the first sentence. Enter. Did you see that? It removed what I asked for removal. How about that syllabus that it mentioned? Many students can access their syllabus via e-learning. We can gently guide our students to their e-learning course and have them access their syllabus there That's if you have the syllabus on your e-learning course. Or how about those office hours? We know our office hours are Mondays and Wednesdays from 2 to, let's say, 6 o'clock. So, please insert my office hours as Mondays and Wednesdays from 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. and Fridays are virtual via Teams by appointment. Then we can add that students can locate their syllabus via e-learning and enter. Look at that. I would say that's 2.5 seconds. If you look here in the 4th paragraph, it says, I will soon share the course syllabus with you via e-learning. The syllabus will detail the course structure, topics we will cover, assignments, and grading criteria. Please review it carefully and feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need clarification on any aspect of the course. Then if we look at this next paragraph, it says, my office hours are on Mondays and Wednesdays from 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. On Fridays, I am available for virtual meetings via Teams by appointment. I strongly encourage you to make the most of these sessions. So there you have it. Copilot has honored our request and did it in a fashionably time that allows us to free up more of our time with other tasks that we may have to take care of. What do you think? As you can see, Copilot is a great tool to use, and it cuts down a lot of time that some projects may require more time than usual. Very simple to use and very easy. I'd like to leave you with a couple of additional prompts. Whether it's doing curriculum development and you're requesting assistance from Copilot to create modern curriculum structures for a specific course or subject. There's lecture planning, where you simply seek help in creating an engaging lecture plan for a specific topic. There's research proposals, asking for guidance in writing a research proposal related to a specific research area. Grant writing. Inquire about the process for writing a grant application. Educational tools. Request from Copilot information on effective tools to teach a specific subject. Student engagement. Seek strategies to increase student participation and engagement in specific classes. Academic publishing. You may ask for help summarizing a research finding for publication. Peer review. You could inquire from Copilot about critical points to focus on when reviewing a paper related to a specific topic. You may want to have assistance in drafting a proposal for an interdisciplinary project. It just depends on what you are needing from Copilot.